Ganyan ka sana lagi-lagi.
Morning guys. Hi, good morning. Hi, good morning guys. This is Nelson Cabanag once again. And then I would like to say hello to everyone all over the world, to all my viewers, my subscribers, my followers, my likers, my haters, and also my haters, and also my believers. Alright guys. Hello guys, this is Nelson once again. Dito sa inyong harapan at nagsasabing mabuhay tayo lahat. Happy Saturday po to all of us. And this is Nelson once again saying I love you all. Okay. And I'm here in my mom's house. Is she here? Yes, she is. This video is gonna be uploaded in my Nelson TV official without any editing, because up to now I'm still on the process of learning editing, blah blah blah, and so on and so on. There you go. This is Edith Cabanag, guys. You hear? My mom. She is 96 years old. She was born May 1st, 1920. There she is.
Ano ba itong nasa aking ulo? Ay,
say something,
lalaki. Itsura diha.
Say something, ano?
Basta meron lang akong alaala. Basta sama.
There you go.
Dito sa bahay ni Nelson.
There you go.
Anak ko, ikaw sana yung maging mabait. Mabait na mabait.
Oh, McDonald's, yeah, iya, yo.
Mahalin mo ang iyong kapwa.
Kapwa, totoo yan. Oh, yan. See, pakinggan.
Mahalin mo rin si Susi. Dasya ko sa baba araw-araw.
Iya, yo.
Ang nagbabalit sa iyo. Ito ko'y tama. Babang tama. Alam mo ba, Nelson, ang nangyari kay Net? Hindi ko siya makikita. Sama ang loob niya sa akin. Suraw pala.
Alright guys.
Dito sa atin.
So that is Nanay Edith Cabanag.
Hindi ko na siya makikita.
She is already 96 years old. She was born on 1929, alright? So those who are, already 96 by this year, I would like to say happy birthday mga nanays dyan na born 1929 at nag-birthday sa year lahat. Even it was on January and to December. And there she is. That's Mom.
Babaalot sa iyo. Basta sa akin noon. Wala nang lahat yan. Ikaw ay nagpakabait na rin siguro. Bakit ka nakaganda? Bakit ka nakaganda? Oret na. Mahal mo pa ba ako? Pagmamahal ko sa iyo. Oo daw naman. Gusto kitang makita sa huling sandali ng iyong buhay. Makita kita. mananalangin sa'yo. Sana sisisi sa mga ginawa mo sa akin. Ikaw ang nagtaboy sa akin. Para ako'y mawalas sa tinaboy mo ako.
Guys.
Halikan na. Hindi pa ba tayo alis? Halina. Sabayan mo po, kahanan ito.
Peace be with you guys. Peace be with you. Maybe only 10 minutes. As long as I have something to put it in my YouTube channel. 10 minutes is gonna be. It's already 7. It's already 7 minutes. Oh, I watched something that there's somebody to watch and two old couple, they dancing. Maybe this time they go dancing this time. Maybe this time. Maybe this time. They dancing like this. This time. This time. Okay, guys. We're going out today. We're going to, I'm going to drive my mom somewhere else, like where? Somewhere in the store. Well, actually, we went to we're just done doing the ordering some ensure for my mom. They said it will be available this Monday. Alright, guys. Macho, kapito daw ako. Macho, kapito daw ako. Macho. I have to practice that maybe this time. So if I got that, I have to do that at home. Or maybe somewhere else. So there's no more, edit. I just gotta go put it there. As long as there's no music around, and so that we will not be going to be how you say that? Copyright, right? Copyright. Guys, don't forget to subscribe. This is Nelson TV Official. I wish everybody's better life, healthy life, good life all over the world. Yeah. This is Nelson once again, guys. And I would like to say, I love you all. Today is September 7, 2024. Right here in Vallejo, California, guys. All right. Maybe have to, practice dancing and all that stuff, so that I could able to share it to you guys. All right. And okay, that's all, guys. Thank you so much, and don't forget to subscribe. God bless us all. Bye.